This is the Shelford Waste Site just off Broad Oak Level Crossing, a place most people drive past without thinking. Operated by Valencia Waste Management, this site isn't a closed tip. It's a working waste and processing facility handling non-hazardous commercial, industrial, and household waste under a long-standing environmental permit. On site is a materials recycling facility built to recover plastics, metals, wood, and other materials, cutting down what would otherwise go into landfill. This plant was added with planning approval and is limited to processing up to 150,000 tons of waste every year. But that's not the end of the story. A recent permit variation seeks to increase the site's annual processing throughput to around 500,000 tons, about twice what it was designed for, bringing thousands more tons of waste through here each year. Neighbors and campaigners have raised concerns about traffic, dust, and noise, saying that more waste flowing through would mean more vehicle movements and a larger footprint on local roads. Underground, the landfill remains active, slowly decomposing waste and producing gas. Above ground, operations continue to evolve, not just burying refuse, but trying to reuse and recycle where possible. What looks quiet from the sky is actually a complex, ongoing part of how waste is handled in this region, and one that's still very much in motion.